Hey guys, I'm just going to do a quick string comparison with the Martin Luxe cobalt strings, light gauge, versus phosphor bronze lights. I'm going to play a few things on this guitar and then switch the strings and try to play something similar to see if there's any, any real tone difference. I don't know. I have no idea what they're going to sound like. So here we go. Here we go. Try to remember what I played before. My editing skills aren't great, so I have to try to do it kind of the same. Man, I gotta say they feel really nice. And the ones I had on before were coated too. I forgot to mention, these still feel better. These cobalt strings are crazy good. I love them. They're expensive though. And they're very fresh too, so once they break in, they'll probably sound different. Rice rip-off time. Anyway, I like them, man. They're great. They're great on this guitar, anyway. More mid-range, I find. I'll have to listen to the video, but I feel like they got more mids. It's a little sweeter. It's got more of a bell to it. Anyway, take care. My student's here. I gotta go.